Have you ever dreamed of packing your bags and embarking on a journey to a foreign land? Whether it's for work, study, or an exciting vacation, traveling abroad is one of life's most enriching experiences. It opens up doors to new cultures, opportunities, and memories that last a lifetime. But let's face it, traveling to a new country isn't just about booking a flight and packing your suitcase. It's about being prepared for the unexpected, embracing the unfamiliar, and making the most out of every moment. From navigating cultural differences to understanding local laws and customs, the adventure comes with its challenges. In this video, I'm going to share 25 game-changing tips to help you make your journey abroad smooth, memorable, and absolutely stress-free. Whether you're planning your first trip overseas or you're a seasoned traveler looking for new insights, these tips will give you the confidence to explore the world like a pro. So grab a notebook, sit back, and get ready to unlock the secrets of successful international travel. 25 essential tips for traveling abroad. 1. Research your destination thoroughly. Learn about the country's culture, weather, language, and currency. This helps you blend in and avoid cultural misunderstandings. 2. Check passport validity and visa requirements. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. Research visa requirements and apply well in advance. 3. Get travel insurance. Accidents and emergencies happen. A comprehensive travel insurance policy can save you from unexpected expenses. 4. Learn basic phrases in the local language. A few words like hello, thank you, and help in the local language can go a long way in building rapport and navigating easier. 5. Understand